Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? This is Huey, and we're back with another video. Today, we have another great strategy for you, another easy strategy, and I hope you guys make some money with it. Make sure to watch this video until the end. Subscribe to the channel if you're interested in more strategies like this. But before we get into the strategy itself, I want to remind you guys to join the private trading group. We have giveaways for you every day. There is one running right now. All you need to do is watch the video from start to finish, leave a comment and leave a like on the video, and that is pretty much it. And you can win $100 already today, because there's multiple giveaways going on right now. So don't hesitate and join them right now. And also, we have private trading session happening every day from Monday to Friday at 4 p.m. London time. So join for those as well. This is a good way to start making money and start getting into trading. So don't waste your time. Join this group. The spots are limited. Send Neos a message, and if there's a spot, he'll get you in. However, if there's no spot, do not worry. We still have the free signals group. This group has unlimited spots and a lot of useful information like indicators, tips, different chart patterns, the candle patterns, everything. We have everything, how to utilize different indicators, which indicators are better to use together, etc. And also, of course, we have the free signals in here. Every day when there's a trading session in private trading group, you get 3 to 4 signals in here, so you can always make some money here. So don't hesitate, join these groups. You can find the links in the description below. Everything is free. Just send Neos a message if you have any questions. And now let's get back into our strategy. Let's go. So this strategy is another very simple strategy that utilizes our favorite indicator, 3 moving averages. So we're just gonna go ahead and add 3 of these, then go to edit. We change the first one to 200. We change the moving average to EMA. We go to styles. We change the color to white, 2 pixels. Boom, ready. This one is going to show the long-term trend. Then we go to another one. We change to 60 moving average EMA. We go to styles. We change the color to, let's say, blue, and we keep it at 1 pixel. And the last one is going to be period 8. We change the moving average to EMA, go to styles, change it to yellow, 2 pixels. Boom, we are good to go. And here's already we have the first example of how the strategy works. As you can see here, the yellow line of 8 EMA is crossing both of the lines of 200 EMA and 60 EMA. And once that happens, you take a 1 minute long position. And as you can see, if you took it right here, after both of the EMAs are crossed, this would result in a win. But now let's find some suitable examples and see what we can squeeze out of the strategy. Let's go. And here we can see another entry point. The yellow line of 8 EMA has just crossed the 200 EMA, and before that it crossed the 60 EMA as well. So we are taking a 1 minute short position. What you have to remember is if the price action is below the 200 EMA, it means that the downtrend, the long-term downtrend, is going on right now. If the price action is below the 60 EMA, which is the blue line in this case, it means that a short-term downtrend is formed. And you have to be very clear and understand what this brings. It means if the short-term trend is currently going on, it means at any point soon it can change and you have a little bit time to enter the trade. However, if the yellow line crosses both of 60 EMA and 200 EMA, it means that there is a major trend shift and you can take a more guaranteed win, a more guaranteed position in that situation. And as you can see here, we have an easy $450 locked in. Now let's proceed and look for more entry points. Let's go. Here we have another entry point. As you can see, the 8 EMA has just crossed the 60 EMA from below, which means we're taking a 1 minute long position. When this happens, when the 8 EMA is only crossing one line, one another EMA, in this case it is 60 EMA, as I keep saying, this means that a short-term uptrend has formed and you have approximately 2 or 3 bars to enter the trade. If you don't make it in that time, do not enter this trade. And also, as you can see, the overall trend is downtrend still. If you look at 200 EMA, you can see that it's moving kind of downwards, but when the yellow line crosses the 200 EMA from below, it will indicate that there is a major trend shift, and then you can take several trades. For example, take several long positions in one trade, and that will most likely result in a win. As I keep saying, this strategy is not 100%, but it is very good chances of you winning. And as you can see, this is the second entry and second win for us, and now we're gonna continue looking for more. I want to make some money today, and let's see what we can get. Let's go. A few minutes later, here we have another entry point. If you look at it, you can see the 8 EMA is crossing the 60 EMA from above, and actually if you look at the top 200 EMA, you can see that it's heading down, which means that the market is an overall downtrend. So this is an easy trade right here, and it's most likely going to result in a win. But let's not get ahead of ourselves and wait a little bit and see what we can get. The strategy in itself is very simple, but you have to keep paying attention to what is the trend currently. Are you trading against the trend? Are you trading short-term trend? Are you trading long-term trend? All of those things, you have to keep them in mind, and you have to look at those things and understand what you're doing when you're placing a trade. When you're trading short-term trend, you have to understand that you have to be entering a trade not more than 3 bars away from the cross, because then your strategy kind of stops taking effect in short term. You can still win sometimes, but that is purely on luck, and here we don't try to rely on luck, but of course it is a big part. And as you can see there, we get another $435. Very simple, very easy strategy, absolutely suitable for everyone who wants to trade and wants to make some money. As I keep saying, just keep your funds, don't trade what you can't lose. If you want more guarantees that your trade is going to go through here, make sure to just wait for the yellow line to cross both of the lines, or both 60 and 200 EMA, and then you kind of have approximately 90% chance of actually having a successful entry. So if you're a little bit skeptical about short-term trends, then do not enter the trade if the 8 EMA is crossing 60 EMA. Having options is really good, and this is exactly what this strategy is giving you. It's giving you the option and the opportunity to trade however you like to. Now let's get into another trade and see what we can get. Let's go. And here we have another entry. As you can see, we have a downtrend here going for quite a while, so we're going to take a 1 minute short position in this situation, because the yellow line has also crossed the 60 EMA, which indicates the short-term trend is also going to be downwards. So this is a very easy entry, and most likely it's going to result in another win for us, and that's going to put us at a substantial amount of money made within just a few trades. And I absolutely love getting to this 500 trading amount. When you're just starting trading and you're trading like $200, $100, and then eventually you get here, it feels really good. This is my favorite part of trading. I love achieving this goal, and that's what we're doing. We're achieving our goals, and then we're just building on top of that. We have the foundation already. $500 is a fantastic amount to just keep building with, and that's what we have here, and that's what you should strive for as well, in my opinion. However, you can set whatever you like. And another win, $440, and that concludes our trading session at $1,800 with 4 trades in. Very simple, very easy, 4 out of 4. That puts us at 100% success rate so far. So make sure to try this strategy out. Rewatch the video if you don't understand something, and once you have a grasp of the strategy, just go ahead and start trading. Very simple. Here would be another good entry. If you look, if you actually entered right here, 1 minute, easy win. Very simple, but of course we are done for the session. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to join the free signals and the private trading group. Do that as soon as possible, and don't miss out on the trading session today. We're trading again, so you have a chance to make some money. You can find all the links in the description below, And of course, if you would love to trade with the robot is available for you as well. You can just send Neos a message, and as you can see, the results speak for themselves. You can see how many wins there are and not a single loss really. If we scroll up all the way here, that's almost an hour without a single loss. Hour and a half right there, and boom, this is the first loss. So you would make a lot of money with just trading with this robot, but as you can see, it continues up, and then you have a second loss, which isn't a big deal, and this would result in you making money. But I hope you enjoyed this video once again, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.